Okay, let's talk about register your drone. The FAA want us to register a drone that is 0.55 pound to 55 pound. Yeah. The register is about $5, and after you register, and that it lasts about 3 years. And for me, I'd rather register than don't have register. And you go to public park or something, you fly, and if they ask for your register, you don't have it, you might get a fine that they said online here, up to $250,000 and 3 years in jail. I mean, you can buy a drone like this for roughly $1,500 to $2,000, and you can't even spend $5 for just register for it. Then you shouldn't have a drone at all. This is the printout after you register and pay. They give you right away. Print it out, like me, piece of paper, or cut it, put in your wallet, and there's a ID number for you to write on either a piece of tape or something and put it in your drone, or just tape it on the side, anywhere, just put it on your drone. That's how they want it, but carry with you. If you have more than two, I guess this is the only number, and it for